That breakfast was delicious. Sure was. Thanks, Flareon. You're welcome. I'm really good at cooking. Thanks. Have you guys met my friend Magikarp? Magikarp, breakfast was delicious. Magikarp. Magi. Go grab Sylveon. We're gonna get them back. I'll grab Espeon.
What are you doing?
Yes.
I meant besides breaking my leg.
Espeon. On mind control. Where am I? Jolt! Jolty! Oh, Jolty! That whole day I spent gone was boring. Wait, where was I? What happened? You were being mind controlled. If he can't do it, I will. Espeon, you are coming with me. No! Psychic! Psychic throw! I'm sick of you. We'll beat him maybe in the next episode. Ooh, stick tuned. Bye!